Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to prepare a resume for fresher network engineer. So here you can mention your name. So I'm going to share this complete document in the Google Drive, so you can directly download and edit as per your requirement. So here you can add your name, city, state, and your email address and your phone number and LinkedIn profile. So you can keep objective as it is and just edit this degree, like either you are a BTech computer science engineer or degree whatever stream you are in. So just edit this one. And then coming to technical skills, you can keep these technical skills as it is, or if you have anything additionally you can add it in the new line, or you can put in the existing bullet points. Okay. And then coming to projects, you can do these kind of projects in the Cisco Packet Tracer lab, and you can like put your projects details here, like what you did, like you configured 2 branch offices with the routers by using static route or OSP of EIGRP routes. Okay. And then you can do some basic labs on Cisco Packet Tracer on the firewalls. You can also add firewall lab knowledge on your resume. Okay, here you can add your education details like degree, like BTech or whatever, intermediate, 10th class, and year of passing, and grade, and college where you graduate from, which school or which college. Okay, and here if you are holding any certificates like Cisco, CCNA, or CompTIA network place, simply mention like CCNA trained or network trained or trained network course completely, like that. And soft skills you can add if you want, and achievements, like if you are a team lead handling the any sports events or anything in the college or school, you can keep it in the achievements. And hobbies, you can keep your hobbies like watching technical skills or reading books, whatever. Okay, this is the basic template for network engineer resume. You can use this and edit it. If you have any questions, please comment it out and I will take it forward, and I can help you from the comments itself. Okay, thank you guys, bye.